In this tutorial, I'll explain how to draw the parabola using rectangle method. Data required for this is base and axis or height. So assume base is 100 mm, height is 60 mm. Now taking this base 100, draw a horizontal line, call this as AB. Now locate the center point. From the center, draw a perpendicular to AB, call this as CD. Now construct a rectangle by drawing parallel lines to CD at A and also at B. Like this you construct a rectangle. Call this point as E and this is F. Next divide this AD and AE into same number of equal parts. Now AD I have divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, 2, 3 numbers I will get. This is the 4th division. Now divide AE also into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 numbers we will get. This itself is 4, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Draw a line joining C to 1 dash, C to 2 dash and C to 3 dash. From 1 you draw a line parallel to CD until it intersects with C1 dash line. Call this one as, this point as P1. Next, draw a line from point 2 parallel to CD until it intersects with C dash and 2 dash. This point is P2. Next, draw a line parallel to CD passing through 3 like this. It is intersecting C dash, 3 dash somewhere here. This is P3. Now join A, P1, P2, P3, C. This is half of the parabola. For another half, repeat the same procedure on this side. Now divide this into 4 equal parts. Give the numbering, assuming this B as origin, 1, 2, 3 like this. Here you are assuming this A point as origin and you are giving the numbering as 1, 2, 3 like this and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash like this. Now this is your origin point. That's why you have to give the numbering like this, 1, 2, 3 towards your left and in the upward direction. Divide this into 4 parts and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. This is the origin point now. Now again draw the line joining C to 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and from 1 draw a line parallel to CD like this. This is Q1, here it is Q2, here it is Q3. Now join them. Now complete parabola is ready. Now how to draw the tangent normal? So assume that this is the parabola. Now I want to draw the tangent normal at this particular point P. Then from this point P, draw a line onto this CD, draw a perpendicular line onto this CD like this. This particular point you call as some K. This CK distance you take and you mark that this CK distance on the other side like this. The CK distance you have to mark here. This is T. So CK equal to CT. Now draw a line from T to P and extend this. This is the tangent. Perpendicular is normal. This is the normal. In this way you can draw the tangent normal to the parabola. Next, parabola in a parallelogram. Data required is base, axis distance or height, angle between the base and height. So here AB is 100, CD is 60. Take AB as 100, locate the midpoint and CD is making some angle up to 75 degrees here. Take this as CD, this height is 60. Now construct the parallelogram. This is E, this is F. Now divide this AD into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 names you will get. Divide this AE also into 4 equal parts, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now divide. Now draw a line joining C to 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Now here the main difference is from 1 draw a line parallel to CD. Don't draw the perpendicular here. Draw a line parallel to CD passing through 1. This is P1. Draw a line parallel to CD passing through 2. Draw a line from point 3 parallel to CD like this. This is P3. Repeat the procedure on this side. 1, 2, 3. Here also mark 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Draw the lines. Next, draw the parallels to CD like this. Q1, Q2, Q3. Now this is the parabola inside a parallelogram. Parabola by tangent method. For this also require base and height. Base is 100. CD is the height 60. Take this base 100. Locate the midpoint. Take CD. After that, you locate the E point like this. EC. CD equal to CE. Total DE equal to 120. Okay. Then draw a line joining A to E, B to E, and divide this into some 6 equal parts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then give the numbering in the same way as you are going up. While going down also you have to give the numbering from 1 only. While you are starting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are coming down, you have to give the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Like this. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Okay. So that is the main important point here. Now draw the line joining 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 4 dash, 5, 5 dash. Then draw a smooth curve touching all these lines, because all these lines are tangents to the parabola. Like this. This is the tangent method. Now I'll explain about rectangular hyperbola. Data required is the distances from asymptotes. Construct the rectangular parabola passing through a point P with coordinates 20 and 30. That means first you take OA and OB as two axes. From this, at a distance of 20, you locate one line. At a distance of 30, you draw one more line. This line is EF, this line is CD. Take this point P. This point P coordinates are now 20, 30. After that, locate some number of points like this randomly. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. After that, O to 1, you join O1, draw one line joining O to 1 and extend it until it touches this second axis. Somewhere here you will get 1 dash. Similarly, O2 and extend it, here you will get 2 dash. Draw a line to O3, here itself you are getting intersection point, this is 3 dash. O4 line, here you will get 4 dash. O5 line, here you will get 5 dash. Draw the parallel lines to OA and OB from 1 and 1 dash as shown here. This is parallel to OB from point 1. This line is parallel to OA from point 1 dash. The intersection of these two lines is point P1. In the same way, this is parallel to OB. This is parallel to OA. This point is P2. Repeat the same procedure. This is P3. This is P4. This is P5. Draw a smooth curve joining P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. This is the rectangular hyperbola.